Hello, hello, it's Jennifer Gilman again, and it is the final day of Eat the Rainbow Challenge. So how did you do? Did you enjoy just putting some colors in and looking at things a little bit differently, of actually making an effort to bring in these colors? So I'd love to hear from you guys. Just drop comments below, reach out to me, tell me how this has been for you. But remember, today is the final day, so go ahead and put all the colors, as many colors as possible, in today's rainbow to just give it that final push. And just keep, your apples, green, red, mix things up, different colors of things. Of course, carrots, they come in different colors than orange. You've got cucumbers. And I love having these little packets of avocado mash just hanging around, because I get these actually at Sam's, but you can get them at Publix and other stores, and it's just really great to be able to cut up some vegetables and dip that in there if you like avocado like I do. So how are you going to celebrate though? Remember, that's how to close the loop of a new healthy habit, is you get things going, but you need to celebrate, not just all of a sudden stop, So how will you celebrate your success over the past week? Look at the things that you did well. Look at the things that you did right in your mind, of oh, I loved how I did this, and I loved how I was adventurous and I brought something new in that I never would have. Maybe I cooked something in a different way. So celebrate all of that, and keep tuning in to Coach Me, this private group. I'll continue to have education on just healthy lifestyle tips, some of the favorite things I might use, and of course different challenges along the way. I'm not sure when my next challenge is going to be, but I was thinking about doing a water challenge, because even in its most simplest form, we don't drink enough water. So maybe a 7-day water challenge might be up next. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it. Drop comments below. I want to keep seeing your food, and stay connected to the Coach Me community. Bye for now.